Hello, precious family. Welcome back to Glorious and Rasia Kitchen. Adishia Mami Mobi Biara Akwaba. Yes, this episode I went to Canada's Wonderland, and guess who I met? Angela, 90 Days Fiancé.
Time for breakfast.
Stay tuned.
Downstairs in the breakfast area or dining area. I'm using my breakfast voucher. Free breakfast. It's coffee time. Make your coffee. It's a very neat area. Ahoy fine. Ahoy so neat. You are all invited. Let's eat. Look at the food. Ooh. Hey, that breakfast was so delicious. Dancing mama. Dancing before eating. Oh.
Glorious Ahombrasia Kitchen na esias medjumedi we say ebremu abusia obetimi akọ on YouTube page Glorious Ahombrasia Kitchen obetimi asho spellings ni ye na ade a omo ye and same onwa enuane ahodo ene local dishes, foreign dishes, healthy cooking ena oye enuane a wonti bidin da ena omo no a page ni so make say uye bema uye student uye school mu ananso nyanware ye eja esujani unyo obi obe no aduane ama obetimi akọ on YouTube channel no so no ahwese no se no anuane ahodo na so wahwe bi na wasua na wano ne kama na numbers na go screen so betumi afa na emom no menfre test no se help bi e na ohia test no be reply ma kama na aduane kro pesa onu ano Gloria etimi aboa amo ano kama na yenkoi na
Yay, dancing without music. You know I have to mute. So let's dance. Okay, so now we are at Canada's Wonderland. Yeah, we just got here. So we gotta walk a little bit to get to the place. We're going inside there. Let's go. You come in. As I said earlier on, because of the music on the background, I have to mute the video. Okay, so you just look around. Yes, I'm inside now. Guess who we met?
I went to Canada's Wonderland where I ran into Angela from 90 Days Fiancé. The show airs on TLC channel, where she met Michael, the Nigerian man. You can check it out, okay?
Hi everyone, I'm up here in Canada and I'm at the Wonderland. I'm not going to be here long, but listen, I just want you to follow this girl. She's amazing and keep watching. I'll see you Monday.
thank you.
You okay? Oh, we have to. Oh, you can't come. Go. Always. I just went on a ride and it wasn't easy. I couldn't take the camera on it because they have to take everything from us.
Dropping in 3, 2, 1. You are all purchasing calls for last flight cancellation. For last flight, so we ask that you receive one out of one now. Should you like to use direct service to the air, 1 hour, bye. All clear. Hold the left hammer while riding. Continue forward now. Very position with your back. Shoulders against the seat back and hold on to the right. Come six. Please stop. Then you can enjoy your ride. Bye-bye. Right round, till we go down, then we drop down, down. If your favorite ride is Leviathan, can I hear you scream? What about you, Brown Striker? Make some noise. And of course, we can't forget about the Demon. And finally, if your favorite ride is Sledgehammer, let me hear you scream. Yeah, that's the right answer. Tick tock, yeah. Alright, when I say wonder, you say land, wonder, wonder. When I say sledge, you say hammer, sledge, sledge. And when I say up, you say higher, up, up, up. What ride are you on?
You want to go faster?
We are back. Back. And Yaba abscess. You better down later for dinner. Okay.
Inti ma ba down, me ba be didi. Inti no. Wow, we are interested to eat. No, you are invited. Don't send me them chimunya thing. Chimunya didn't cry. I always share my food. You, inti me drink abba. Pina colada. And a year. Shirley Temple.
Okay, into maybe another. Maybe butter chicken. And I have some yummy fries and burger. So I want 4 cheese chicken penny. I didn't change your day. I didn't see. You cut down. I could eat breakfast. Yes.
Okay, good morning. So she got a breakfast burrito. I also got the same thing. He also got the same thing. And she got a sunny side up with eggs and toast and sausage.
You are invited. I have my hot chocolate here and some coffee, orange juice. Mama, why? Say, a nice place to be. I shall make Ghana Jesse. Shall make Ghana Jesse. Yes, I'm gonna walk with. I'm off living. It's a nice place to be, okay? Till next time you come to Canada or you go to anywhere, you choose Crown Hotel. Yep, off I go. That's outside. Outside. Going. Yep. Going back to New York. Yeah, we had fun in Canada. Everything went all God's grace. We are about to leave. Yeah, baby Fiha and me recommend it. Crown Plaza Hotel, Emamo. Yeah, I was Toronto, and I said, baby, I'll be one. Perfect. Yeah. So thanks for watching and thanks for coming with us. Namaste. Ceremony and bye. Yes. Tino. See. Let's go. I'm a Brasia kitchen. Thank you.